maybe before we go into the work, let's talk about the why. Was there a moment or experience that really pushed you to start restoring homes or doing this business and helping families protect their biggest investment, which is the house?
Mhm. Absolutely. Man, I got into this space by default. I was out and about, I used to sell sold solar for about 6 years and dealing with the roofing aspect of the home already. Um, I just saw that there was room in the space to grow and help people. I had a bad experience with a contractor and that kind of left a sour taste in my mouth. And I thought, if I'm going to be in the space, I need to make sure I'm asking questions and protecting my homeowners and making sure that if I step in and I'm going to do work, then I want to do it with the highest, most level of integrity and doing things the right way so that the homeowner gets taken care of. And I've just learned through this process that, when you do things the right way, it brings a sense of joy and peace and fulfillment that you're actually able to come out and help people and solve problems. So it's been great, man. Been in business now. This is my this 2.5 years doing this independently. And it's been a blessing because every day is a challenge and, you see different things and it's very rewarding to help people, get things taken care of and do it with the high utmost level of integrity.
Solving problems, I guess that's the beginning of everything. And when once it's not just you solving the problem, you experience the problem itself. So it's easier for you to identify how to, fix things up and just helping a lot of people, especially with their biggest investment.